Good day everyone, we're going to take a look at exercise 34 in this video. If I'm going to take a look at how I'm going to solve this, you see there is a lot of information given this time, which isn't actually given in the drawing. So you have to read carefully in this kind of exercises as well. Because they say that triangle KLM is an equilateral triangle, een gelijkzijdige driehoek. And inside of that we have isosceles triangle NPM with MN equals MP. So that are the legs, this is the base, and right here I have the vertex angle. And they give you that this angle is 90 degrees and M1 is 12 degrees. Calculate N2, M2 and angle S2. Okay, let's give me some time to think and let's see. Yeah, I already see other ways to find that one as well. I think it's going to be rather important here to use this piece of knowledge here. Equilateral. Why? If I know that, well, remember, if I have angle M1, 2, 3, which is the complete angle, so 1 through 3, how many degrees are all angles in an equilateral triangle? Well, they are all the same. So in this case, angle M1, 2, 3 must be 160 degrees. Equilateral triangle. But that's not how you write triangle. Triangle. Okay? So we know this whole angle here. But you see this is all quite symmetrical, right? In this situation. So because this is the vertex angle and it's going to be symmetrical inside of KLM, we know that angle M1 is going to be equal to angle M3. Is going to be 12 degrees. And if I know that one, and can I say why this is true? Well, I think it has to be in this case because of the isosceles triangle. And I think some people might not see this step. This isosceles triangle is going to be exactly in the middle of this equilateral triangle, which means that this angle must be equally large to that one. And if I know M1 and I know M3, I can now, well, I can go first calculate angle N2 if you want to, or I can first calculate angle N2 or M2. I think angle N2, if I want to calculate that one first, I think I am going to need angle M2, 3. So, because then I can use the angle sum method in triangle NQM, which is going to be 180 minus 90 degrees, that's my angle right here, minus, yeah, angle M2, 3 is going to be, yeah, why am I doing it like this? In that case, I could better just first calculate angle M2, because now I have to talk about that part still. So instead, I think, why am I going to completely take that? I only want to take that small part right here. Are you going to allow this? Yes or no? For some stupid reason, no. So, okay, I'm going to back off for a bit. I'm first going to calculate angle M2. That's a bit easier. I can do it the other way, but M2 is much more logical. Angle M2 is going to be 60 degrees because that's angle M1, 2, 3 minus 12 minus 12. 24, so this is going to be 36 degrees. Correct? So because I now know M2, I think it's now going to be a lot easier to now calculate what angle N2 is. Because I can now say angle M12 is going to be, let's see, 36 plus 12. It's 48 degrees. Also, did I use a rule here? I didn't really use a rule. I just knew this angle, and that angle. I'm not talking about some straight angle here, so you don't really have to write down which rule you use here, I think, if you're going to do it like I did. Okay, angle 1 and 2 is just adding those two angles, and what am I going to do? M12. Why am I using M12? I'm slacking a bit, sorry. I'm going to do M23, which is the same value, but I want this one because it's in triangle NQM. So angle N2 is going to be 180 minus angle Q, 90 degrees, minus angle M23, that's why I calculated it here, which is going to be, in that case, yeah, 42 degrees. And here I did use a rule right here. I used the angle sum again. Angle sum. What? Triangle. I'm getting a bit dizzy of designing and writing that much exercises in a day. I'm sorry. Hey, what I haven't calculated yet is angle S2. That's the one right here. I don't know N3, I don't know P1, so doing the angle sum method here would take a lot of time, I think. Rather, I would use angle S4 and use the opposite angles here. Can I calculate angle S4? Yes, I can. Because angle S4... Oh, why is my tablet messing up again? I don't know why it's doing this, by the way. Sometimes it just doesn't register my strokes anymore. So let's see. Okay, so I'm going to type again. Why is this happening every time at the end of the exercise as well? So angle S4 is going to be 180 minus angle Q, right? So minus 90 minus angle M3 right there, which is going to be, I know that 112. So angle S4 must be equal to 78 degrees. And if I know that one, then I can now just say angle S2 equals angle. Please use your notation for an angle, right? But I can do that in this program. Angle S4 equals 78 degrees. Why? Again, because I used opposite angles. Angles like this. Again, I don't know how your elaboration book is showing you. I am hoping maybe even that they use a different way, so you can see that there are different ways to the answer. As you can see, this is a perfectly fine way. However, I think it would be rather difficult for me if I didn't use my knowledge of knowing that angle M123 is 60 degrees. They give you that because they say it's an equilateral triangle, right? So read carefully as well. Good luck to you all.